Hello everyone and welcome to today's class. We are going to continue with the revisioning before the pre-board exam that we're going to have from the 15th. The first question in our Q&A session today is from the chapter nitrogenous compound in organic portion. The first question is why an alkyl amine, why is an alkyl amine is an alkyl amine more basic than ammonia? Is more basic than ammonia. Let's take a general example of an alkyl amine. This is the example of an alkyl amine. This is the alkyl group, alkyl functional group. We all know alkyl functional group has plus I effect. Now, plus I effect is electron donating effect. So, alkyl group is electron donating group, electron pushing group, meaning this alkyl amine, this in the example that we had taken, alkyl amine through this sigma bond pushes this sigma electron density more towards the nitrogen atom, which already contains a lone pair of electrons. So as a result, this nitrogen in this amine functional group becomes much more electronic dense compared to a normal ammonia molecule, where no such electron density, pushing of electron density, can be observed from the hydrogen atoms in ammonia molecule. So both ammonia and alkyl amine molecule, the nitrogen has a tendency to donate its lone pair, and that's why both of them are act as Lewis base. But in alkyl amine, as due to this electron donating alkyl group, the probability of electron donation by the nitrogen enhances, resulting in higher Lewis basicity. I made a little bit of mistake in the last portion question that we are studying. I mistakenly said that the pre-board exam is going to start from the 15th. Actually, the pre-board exam is going to start from the 10th of this month, that is from tomorrow. So let's go to the next question. That is, the question is, arrange the following compounds in arrange the following compounds in an increasing order of their solubility in water and the compounds are C6H5NH2, C2H5 whole 2 NH, C2H5 NH2. So these are the amine compounds. Now, the solubility of amine compounds depends on the interaction of lone pair of nitrogen with the water molecule. Now, the interaction occurs like this. Supposedly, this amine is there, it is dissolved in water. Now, if this reaction occurs very easily, in that case, the acid base reaction will occur and the amine will dissolve very easily, and we will say that this amine is highly soluble in the water. Now let's see what is this process for this individual amine compounds that are given in the question. The first one, let's talk about this one. The C2H5 functional group, alkyl group, is this R group in the general amine example that we just talked now. C2H5 is an alkyl group having plus I effect. It is pushing the electron density more on the nitrogen and facilitating this dissolution process that we talked about with water. So this should be highly soluble in water. But if another C2H5, which is a considerably bulkier alkyl group, is present in the amine nitrogen, in that case, the crowding around the nitrogen atom reduces the probability of this lone pair donation or this dissolution process comparatively, because around the nitrogen now there are bulky groups. In whatever way we want to write, the bulky C2H2 C2H5 will surround this nitrogen atom, and as a result of this, the space in uh, the nitrogen atom donation, the probability of donation for the nitrogen atom reduces, reducing the interaction with the water, which reduces the solubility. So if I compare, if I have to compare these two molecule only, in that case I can say that C2H5 whole 2 NH have lesser solubility compared to C2H5NH2. Now, why I had written in the increasing order? Because the question is asking for it. Now, one another compound is given also, C2H6NH2. This is nothing but aniline. This is aniline. Now, aniline undergoes resonance. So, this is resonance stabilized aromatic amine. The lone pair is involved in the resonance. So, it is unavailable to interact with water molecule. And the unavailability of lone pair of nitrogen for aniline is far more comparatively than the normal C2H5 whole to NH, which results in even lesser solubility of aniline in the water. So, therefore, the solubility trend will be C6H5NH2, which is lesser soluble compared to C6H5 whole to NH, which is lesser soluble compared to C2H5NH.